Today concern is how to enlarge your penis size and get. First, I am going to show you how to make home remedies, and this is pharmacy, and we have discussed about some good remedy. So let's start first home remedies. Welcome my all visitors. Today we are going to discuss how to enlarge your penis using onion juice and honey. Penis size increase automatically if you use this mixture, and suppose this is a penis, and it will increase the size simultaneously gradually when you use this mixture on the back and shaft. And these ingredients are used especially for making your penis enlarge. So let us start. This is onion, Allium cepa. This is also called Allium cepa. We have used 2 onion and we have grind it. It will increase the blood flow in the penis and make it strength. And this is the onion juice we are going to squeeze from a cotton cloth, and this is honey. We have used these 2 ingredients. Honey is also a very good antioxidant, and the combination of honey and garlic juice gives strength to your penis and increase the blood flow to the vessels of your penis. And let squeeze the mixture of onion as we have grinded it before. Take at least 1 teaspoon of onion paste and squeeze it using cotton cloth. You can see it is very easy procedure. It can squeeze easily in a bowl. And this is the contain vitamin C. This contain vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, calcium, iron, etc. So we have squeezed it. You can see it is very clear. Now we are going to add at least 1 teaspoon of honey in this mixture. Stir it in a good manner so that it will mix together. Now this is a combination of onion juice and honey. So it is a very good remedy for enlargement of your penis, its length, and also girth. Apply this juice daily on your penis as I am showing. Leave the glans penis, and you have to put all the mixture just like I am showing to you in this video. Easily you can apply. When you will apply this, leave it at least for 10 minutes. This mixture will increase cell regeneration and it will increase the blood flow so that it will increase the length as well as its girth, and it will make your erection hard. So it is a very good remedy if you use it. So please use it and discuss all your result with our website www.herbalmaza.com. So welcome my all visitors in our pharmacy. So here we are going to discuss very good remedy for your penis enlargement if you had masturbation a lot. There are a lot of people who want to increase their penis length and penis girth. So we have discussed here at least 14 ingredients here. In this fast acting formulation we are going to use 15 ingredients, 14 ingredients followed by 1 base oil. And we have used 7 drug from plant origin, 1 clove 10 gram, second Nigella sativa 10 gram, third mace 10 gram, fourth Anacyclus pyranthrum 10 gram, fifth Calestris paniculatus 10 gram, 6th cinnamon bark 10 gram, and 7th nutmeg 10 gram. 7 drug from animal origin is first leech 20 gram, second earthworm 20 gram, third sand lizard 20 gram, fourth rainbug 20 gram, fifth castoreum 20 gram, sixth beeswax 20 gram, seventh sheep fat 20 gram, and the base oil we have used here is olive oil 100 ml. And the first ingredient we have used is clove. We also call this Syzygium aromaticum. And second one is black seed. We used to call it Nigella sativa in Latin. Third one is mace. We used to call it in Latin Myristica fragrans. And fourth one is agarkara. We used to call in Latin in Anacyclus pyranthrum. And this one is cinnamon. It is very common name around the world. And this is, we used to call it Calestris paniculatus in Latin. And seventh one is nutmeg, and this is also called Myristica fragrans. These are 7 plant origin drug, and one is, this is castoreum. We got it from the secretion of glandular secretion of castoreum. This is earthworm. We used to call in Latin Lumbricinia. And this is rainbug. We used to call it Trombiculidi. And this is leech. We used to call in Latin Hirudinea. Very effective in this formulation. And this we used to call it sand lizard. In Latin we used to call Lacerta agilis. It is very effective for penis enlargement and also increase the girth. This is beeswax, commonly used in this formulation, and this is sheep fat. We also call it lanolin. So how to prepare? Let's see. All the animal origin drug we will take in a 2 liter of water, and we have grinded this plant origin 7 drugs in a grinder, and we will put inside this together. Let it mix, and this is 2 liter oil, 2 liter water. In 2 liter of water we put all these ingredients, you can see, and leave it for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours you will take oil, 100 ml oil, and mix it, boil on a flame till all the water get evaporate. Now this is prepared oil, and it will increase your penis size and length simultaneously, gradually. This is very effective formulation. So how to use it? You have to use it on your penis. Suppose this is penis, and you will take some drop of this oil on your forefinger and your thumb, and you will rub your penis, not on glans penis, and force towards outside. 7 to 10 times you will do this, and then backward position 7 to 10 times you will do this exercise, followed by massage of this oil. This will increase the length of your penis as well as the girth. Within 30 days you will get very good result. And my friends, if you are really interested in this preparation, you can feel free to ask any question, anything from me by using comment, or you can call me or you can WhatsApp me anytime. Or if you are feeling that you cannot prepare it at home, so you can purchase from our website www.herbalmaza.com, or you can take directly by calling us or by ordering us. So thank you for watching this video. We shall come again for you with a new video. Till then, bye, take care.